Stress is not a bad thing. Stress is actually a healthy thing if it's done right. I'm under stress right now. Firstly, I'm under gravitational stress, but emotionally, I'm under stress because I'm in a new environment. I'm in New South Wales. I'm sitting in an office that I haven't sat in before. I'm hotspotting from my phone. I can see there's 231 people who are watching me. I'm conscious that I just had to cough. All these things that weigh on your brain and constantly make you question yourself. Stress is good. It means I care. It means I want to perform. It means I hope that the 41 chats that I see are actually positive and not saying, geez, how boring is this guy? These are the things that we really want to improve. Stress as a motivator. It makes me energized. If you look at the middle of this chart, you can see the optimum piece there. That's where we want people stressed, because if I'm stressed in my role in a positive way, I'm engaged, I'm smashing out my work as best as I possibly can. I want my boss's role. So I'm really keen to kind of impress and take on further responsibilities. Stress can be a great motivator. It makes me want to pay my bills and pay my mortgage. It makes me want to be a good husband and a good dad. Stress makes me overthink at times, and that's okay, as long as it doesn't tip into the overload or the burnout and breakdown. So that's really important to understand. When we're shifting people in an unsafe psychological environment, if our mental health strategy isn't robust, we might be pushing people into the overload and burnout and kind of quadrants of this graph.